beautiful. This is part 3 on the easier way of manifesting that I discovered after interviewing spiritual people and testing the methods. So part 1 and 2 is on the playlist on the main page of Terror and the Guardian Side, if you haven't watched those. Number 3. I'm gonna tell you something that is quite different from what other people who share insights into manifesting do. In my experience, most people talk about be really specific, see the make and the model of the Mercedes, the color, smell the interior, what year was it made, be really, really clear with the universe and tell the universe exactly what you want. And as I say, I don't claim to have all the answers here. I just have experience for myself and those people I interviewed and those 30 people who tested it. And I'm going to give you my perspective, right? Yes, that's, probably correct in many ways. I struggle to do that. Because in order to do that, you kind of need to feel the joy of having that Mercedes before you actually have it, right? You need to walk like you own it and all those things. To be frank with you, for me it feels a little fake. I don't have that Mercedes, so I'm struggling to feel that. Yeah. So here's my take and other people's take on it. Instead of manifesting that Mercedes, if you have trouble with getting around, what happens, do you think, if you try instead to manifest a solution to your transport need? Or if you have money trouble, instead of manifesting $3 million, you manifest a solution to your money problems. If you're lonely, instead of manifesting this partner looking like that, smelling like that, having that name and born that year, how about you manifest love in your life? A loving partner. In my experience, if you do that, you don't limit the universe. Because if you're very specific, I don't know, it feels like it slows down the manifestation. But if you can tap into the whole universe and let the universe do its magic for you, and you will see results that I'm here now in Ericeira, Portugal. It's not something I want to go there and see that. No, it kind of just happened because I left it open. So if we manifest specific things, we are limited by our own imagination. If you manifest a solution to something you want, an open solution, then you can be really surprised what the universe has in store for you. And this is important. I don't mean to point my finger at you, but if I want to manifest that Mercedes, right? Also, my limiting beliefs kicks in. My inner critic, when I try to feel the joy of having that Mercedes, the critics go, no, come on, man. You're never going to have that Mercedes. Too expensive. No, it's not going to happen in 1,000 years, right? But if you leave it open, you don't know what's coming. You have no clue. You have ordered a solution to your transport needs. Is it a Mercedes? Is it a friend that will drive me to work? Is it, I don't know. I have no idea. So your inner critic and your limiting beliefs have no chance. They cannot tell you that's not going to happen because you don't know what's going to happen. I don't know. No idea. And it makes life so much more fun and like an adventure. What's waiting around that corner? I don't know. Let's take a look. You see where I'm going with this? It really resonates with me. This makes kind of sense, right? I'm not dissing, is that the word? those other methods, I'm sure they're fine, especially if you have the ability to live in that vibration. That's the talk about the right vibration to attract the right thing, right? So sure, yeah. And we probably manifest our lives all the time without realizing it. So I do believe in those mechanisms. What you send out comes back to you, that life is like a mirror. Absolutely. But it comes to manifesting and helping our lives, well, no. So this was behind that corner. A great view. If you want to learn this in a written version, everything all at once, just click the 3 manifestation blocks link down below. And what's your opinion? What's your take on this? I would much rather learn than to be right. So if you have any insight, go for it in the comments.